So I'm used to mowing straight over the top of dandelions, but then I was informed that they're actually edible. And not just edible, but actually good for you. My in-laws' house around spring is bursting with life, and these are everywhere, so I take a bunch. About as many as I can be bothered with. Today we're making fried flowers, or pulque carbonadas. You gotta take the green stem off, it's quite bitter, and then get ready with seasoned flour and egg wash.
Okay, flatten it out.
Yep. Voila.
Dip it in the egg.
Yeah.
So we've got dandelions, and then they go into the flour. Get it all nice and crispy on the griddle. Oh, double dip.
Yeah.
Yeah, and onto the plate.
One thing I'm learning about carbonadas is to have the last part be an egg wash, not flour. I've repeatedly found my mother-in-law's carbonadas to be light years ahead of mine. And I think this is just one of my problems. And it's not often I get other people to do my work, so I think I'll have a go at this.
Oi, oi, oi. We need more egg, or we're gonna be good.
Oh, that's enough.
Alright, cool. So how long do we fry them for?
30 minutes.
Okay, so a minute, maybe 2.
Yeah.
Alright.
So I've got my razor griddle set up on a medium heat, and I'll put down a lug of olive oil, and then we'll start the fry up.
Cool.
In this case, beauty is inversely proportional to taste, and I am fully happy about it. Give them all a bit of a flip and squash them down into the griddle for a bit of a sizzle. Now, the internet goes on about health benefits of dandelions, but I'm not in it for that. I'm here for, if it's edible, I'm gonna try it.
How do you like it? The hot sauce? Labs?
Yeah.
I'll do the hot sauce thing as well before I try my own one. Yeah. They're nice. They're very nice.
But you know me well enough to know that's not where we're gonna end things, so I get some more flowers from the garden. These are edible, and so are these. And I get some strawberry leaves.
See what we've got here is we've got the fried dandelions. We've got strawberry leaves, which are meant to taste faintly of strawberry. I have a strawberry aroma. Got a bit of mayonnaise going down. And then we've also got sunflower seeds, the only sprout of dill in the garden because it's out of season, and a couple of other flowers that I think are edible, like daisies and these purple things, which I don't know what they're called. But will this be delicious? It looks pretty. I hope it's delicious. We'll give it a go.
No way. No, not for you.
It smells floral, but also fried, which is a nice sign. And then we're gonna try and get it all in one. So we're gonna get a daisy, a dandelion, a strawberry flower, and then also the purple one, and a bit of mayonnaise. Yeah, it's good. It's not neat carbonadas, but like for what it is, that tastes surprisingly tasty. A little bit of mayonnaise goes a long way. Bit of greenery. Yeah, that's quite nice. It's pleasant, it's light, and I think it could be really done well with as like a little entree, a little fancy little entree. So yeah, I said there was free food everywhere, and Mick said racist food. Okay, thanks. Fist bump. Boom.